Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Jowar Dal Cereal. Now this is a very healthy recipe for babies. Jowar or sorghum is a millet, and millet by default are gluten free and are 90% organically grown. So it is something that is required for your baby for optimal growth. Now these are now this healthy combination is rich in protein because I have added yellow lentil or moong dal along with this. I'm sorry, I'm stammering, I don't know why. So along with this I have added moong dal. So all together it makes for a great recipe, tasty one for babies, and this is what we want. I mean, especially it being a cereal, you can prepare and have it handy whenever you want to make something quickly. You can use this. Even during the travel you can carry this. So let's dive right in and see how to make Jowar Dal Cereal. Let's see the list of ingredients required to make this Jowar Dal Cereal. Jowar in English is called as sorghum. Now I'm taking a wide pan and adding jowar here. This is a very healthy millet, easily available, and in case you cannot find jowar whole grain, what you can do is use jowar flour. Just roast it on a pan for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then all the other ingredients can be used similarly. Continuous roasting, and it needs to be well roasted, it's very important. Then transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool down. Now in the same pan I am adding moong dal or yellow lentil and keep roasting it for a while. And this is the consistency you will get. This is how roasted it should be. And along with jowar I am adding it and we'll cool it down. I am adding walnuts here. Roast it. See, if you are already somebody who has introduced dry fruits to your child, then please go ahead. Otherwise, hold on. I would actually say this is the better way to introduce dry fruits along with other ingredients when you make a cereal mix, because this will take the nutrition level a notch up. And along with it, I added cardamom here. And all these ingredients I would put on a plate and allow it to completely cool down, and then I will add it to a mixer jar to make a fine powder. Now at home now I'm adding nutmeg. This is a traditional Indian ingredient which is much used and really needed, and at most they used in so many medication in India for babies, but I find this is the best way to use it. Now make a fine powder, and this is how it would look. If you cannot make a fine powder, do not worry, because anyways we'll be cooking it. So this powder, now you can store it for about 2 to 3 months. And prepare porridge whenever you want. I'll show you how to prepare porridge now. In a pan, I am adding this Jowar Dal Cereal mix. Add in required quantity. And then our almond powder, the one we just prepared now, I am adding in here because it will increase the nutrition value and it will also add on to taste. Unnecessarily adding sugar is not recommended for babies. So this powder, if you prepare and keep it handy, it is great. And now keep mixing it. This whisk is very helpful when you have a baby at home and you regularly prepare porridge. It will help remove the lumps quickly. So ensure that the lumps are all gone, and then add in extra water or milk. You can cook it in any, but adding in milk would give it a creamy, good, nice texture. Now keep mixing it while it is cooking, and until it turns creamy and visibly cooked. Please continue to cook, and this would be the desired consistency. And our sorghum dal porridge is now ready. I would recommend you to take it out from the stove before it is getting too thickened up, because otherwise again you will have to add water or milk and adjust the consistency. So this is how creamy, delicious our Jowar Dal porridge looks. If you like this recipe, there are plenty of them on our channel. I would recommend few of them to you. The link would be in the description box. Do check them. At first, it is Sago Urad Dal Cereal. This is a great weight gaining cereal for your child. You can just make it like this and prepare a porridge and offer it to your child. Barley is also something which has cooling properties, is great for boosting immunity. So barley cereal you can check. You can also check bottle gourd puree, and please do check carrot suji upma. These are some recipes which I recommend on today's video. All the links are in description. Do check them, and if you liked it, please click on that like button and click on the subscribe button so that you get updates of all new recipe and baby care videos I keep sharing on this channel. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.